In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Notion API and how to find your Notion database ID. These steps will guide you through setting up an integration with Notion and discovering the necessary database ID for API calls, all in 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and head over to the Notion website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your Notion account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon or the settings gear. Click that to open the settings menu. After clicking into the settings, navigate to the My Account section and look for the Connections tab. Here, you'll manage all your integrations and connected apps. Click on Develop or Manage Integrations. This is the gateway to creating a new integration that will eventually interact with your Notion workspace. In the Integrations page, find and click New Integration. This option allows you to create a custom tool that communicates with your Notion data. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your integration. Choose something descriptive that will help you remember what it's used for, perhaps a project name or its intended functionality. Next, select the specific workspace you want this integration to access. This step is crucial if you're managing multiple workspaces, as it ensures that your integration is linked to the correct data environment. Once you've named your integration and chosen the workspace, hit the Save button to confirm your selections. After saving, click on Configure Integration Settings to proceed. This is where you'll set specific permissions and preferences for your new integration. Towards the bottom of this settings page, you'll find an option called Internal Integration Secret. This section houses your integration token, commonly referred to as the API key. This token is sensitive information, so be sure to copy it to a secure location. Having completed the integration setup, let's shift our focus to finding your database ID. Open the database within Notion that you intend to use with the API. Access it in a way that displays it as a full page. Once you are viewing the database, go up to your browser's address bar and copy the URL. The database ID is a specific part of this URL. In the copied URL, locate the segment after the last / or and before the question mark. This 32-character string of letters and numbers is your database ID. Make sure to note this down, as you'll need it to make API requests. And there you have it. You're now ready to use the Notion API and interact programmatically with your data. With your integration token and database ID, a whole world of possibilities opens up for automation and enhanced productivity within Notion. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tech insights.